There are shortcuts using your zoom tool in Affinity. So for example, I want to zoom in to this star here. So all you need to do is, if you want to zoom into an element in your design space, all you need to do is to click on that icon or that element and click on Ctrl Alt 0 and it will zoom into it. No matter how small that element is, it will zoom into it. Then if you want to go back, if you want to fit back to Windows, if you want to zoom it back to your Windows, you click on Ctrl 0. The canvas will fit back into the window. So no matter how small the element is, you can zoom into it completely. For example, this image at the bottom right, click on it and click Ctrl Alt 0 and it will zoom into that image perfectly, that you can work on it and make some changes. Then you click Ctrl+0 and it will go back. So then if you want to use the view tool, you can come here and click view tool and drag around the images. But there's a shortcut in using the view tool. So the shortcut is hold on to your space bar and just click and drag. This one is much easier. Instead of clicking on the view tool, just hold on to your space bar, then you click and you drag. Meanwhile, you can click on your view, click on zoom, then you see the other shortcuts. If you want to zoom in, if you want to zoom out, if you want to fit this to screen, if you want to fit only the width, if you want to zoom into your selection, which we just did now, if you want to zoom to a document. So for example, I've zoomed out and I want to zoom in using your control plus or control minus. So control plus, I'll zoom in, control minus, I'll zoom out.